In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily cut and trim videos using Microsoft Clipchamp. First, you want to open up the Your Medias tab on the top left, click Import Media, and then select the video you want to edit. I have an example video here. You can also drag and drop it into this interface as well. From there, you just want to drag and drop or click the plus icon to add it to your timeline. And then we're going to do some simple editing. So at the beginning of this video, I'm not talking yet, so I actually want to cut that out. So what I'm going to do is actually zoom in on the timeline. You can do that a couple of ways. First way is you can click the zoom to fit button here on the right side of the screen. And it's going to fit the entire section of video you have in the timeline perfectly in this section. You can also zoom in or out as you want. So in this case, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more, and I can actually separate the audio from the video as well by going to audio and then detach. This will let me see the sound waves a little bit. Once you have it zoomed in about where you'd like it, we're going to go ahead and watch the video and see about where I need to cut it. As we can see, start talking roughly about 1 second in. So we're going to go just before I start talking. If we scrub, we can actually see where I start to open my mouth and talk. So we're just going to go ahead and cut it right here around 1 second. All you want to do is either press S on your keyboard, or you see the scissors tool here on the left side of the toolbar. You can actually just click that as well. And it's going to actually split the audio right there. From there, you can click this left section. You can make sure it's selected by having this green outline. You can then click that, and then you can either click the trash can up here beside of the scissors to split, or you can click delete on your keyboard, both of which will delete that clip. Now, as you can see, if we go to the beginning of the video and play, we have a problem. Now the beginning of the video is just a blank screen. So what we need to do is actually move our video back, and you can do that super easily by deleting the gap right here. It's going to give you a prompt as long as there's enough time between the clips and the empty space. You can actually just click delete this gap right here, and now it's snapped it all the way to the beginning. And as you can tell, we have successfully cut and trimmed the beginning of the video. This is an example video to show you. Now it starts immediately with me talking. We can zoom out, and if we want to edit the rest of this video to cut it and trim it how we want, you would just repeat the same process. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.